Dastardly dolphins. They belong in a cage. I've had enough of animal documentaries. Right, enough TV.
Free all the animals! Free all the animals!
Oh, I can't stand brats. They should be put in cages, twerps.
Free all the animals!
Are you done yet?
I'm warning you! I've called the police, the FBI, and my karate teacher!
Right, whatever.
Hey! Tay! Give me back my dog!
You calm down right now or I'll stick you in a cage, kid.
Whatever.
Dastardly dolphins. They're the worst.
What do you have against dolphins?
I was only this tall when... No! Those vicious beasts have escaped! Urgh!
I knew Tank would escape. He's too smart.
Don't even think about hurting them.
I gotcha! Hey, come back here! Come back here! No, don't come back here! You're gonna pay for this!
That's my Poochie.
Pat, what are you doing here? Did you see? Tank's free. Even he's smarter than the dog catcher.